So, when you think of air pollution, you probably think of giant industrial smokestacks, the tube mill, thousands of cars and gridlock traffic. Perhaps you visualize the smoggy haze that clings to big cities, or imagine what acid rain sounds like. When most people think of air pollution, they think of the outside air. Luckily, you can retreat to the safety of the clean air in your home, right? Actually, the air quality in your home can be worse than the air quality outside. It's easy to believe that the air quality outside is worse than the air quality inside. We know about air pollution and acid rain, and we can see smoke and smell of exhaust from all the vehicles. And we might even hold our breaths when we see that semi-truck spew thick clouds of black smoke ahead of us in traffic. However, according to Environment Canada, the levels of indoor air pollutants are often 2 to 5 times higher than outdoor levels. And in some cases, these levels can exceed 100 times that of outdoor levels of the same pollutants. In other words, sometimes, and most often, the air quality inside our home is more harmful than the outside air. So, get outside. It's good for your health.